Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee wrist injury compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to by looking at personal injury compensation amounts if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in an injury to your wrist. So that's personal injury compensation, how much you may be entitled to, and how to claim. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. A wrist injury has the potential to limit the use of our hands, stopping us from doing essential everyday tasks like making food to driving a car. So if you've suffered a wrist injury as the result of an accident that was down to the negligence of others, whether it be a slip, trip or fall, a workplace accident or a road traffic accident, you may be entitled to compensation. So how do you begin the process of claiming for a wrist injury? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in a wrist injury, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims, no-win, no-fee solicitors that has experience in dealing with wrist injury claims. The good news for you is that we at Legal Expert are happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by calling our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to go over personal injury compensation guidelines with you, as well as cover personal injury compensation levels using our soft tissue injury compensation calculator in order to give you a good idea of how much you may be entitled to in total, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will be for your wrist injury alone and do not include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work or any other expenses incurred because of the accident. Now, following this consultation, we will talk through your compensation injury claim with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, and most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at personal injury compensation amounts for a wrist injury in our compensation claim amount table.
So in front of us we have the table for wrist injury compensation claim amounts, and in the top category we can see injuries resulting in complete loss of function in the wrist, and you could expect to receive anything between £37,960 all the way up to £47,720. Then for an injury resulting in significant permanent disability, and you could expect to receive anything between £19,530 all the way up to £31,220. Then for less severe injuries where there is still result in some permanent disability, you could expect to receive anything between £10,040 all the way up to £19,530. Then where recovery from fracture or soft tissue injury takes longer but is complete, the award will rarely exceed £8,160. Then an uncomplicated collis fracture, you could expect to receive something in the region of £5,920. Then finally, for a very minor undisplaced or minimally displaced fracture and soft tissue injuries necessitating application of plaster or bandage for a matter of weeks, and a full recovery or virtual recovery within up to 12 months or so, you could expect to receive anything from £2,810 right the way up to £3,790.
I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay
if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve.
We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.